Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about how you can earn extra points in Bigo Live. So the primary way or an option to earn uh, credits or points is through gifts. When you're live streaming, your viewers can send you gifts and not called or known as beats, right? So just collect them and you can exchange them for money later, right? Another way is you can run ads. So if you run ads, run some campaigns that will give you extra points again. So, well, there's another way too. That is, you know, reach or complete some tasks or milestones, right? If you complete some tasks, if you complete some, if you reach some milestones, then some points will be rewarded to you, and that's how you earn extra points. So if this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.